1999 BMW M3 convertible. Price: $18,750. Location: Wishinton. The 1999 BMW M3 convertible represents the final chapter of the iconic E36 generation, a car that helped define BMW's performance identity throughout the 1990s. Finished in its original Cosmos black metallic paint over a matching black interior, this example delivers a timeless and understated aesthetic that continues to turn heads decades later. With 89,176 miles on the odometer, it stands as a well-preserved piece of automotive history. The design of this M3 convertible is both elegant and purposeful. The black soft top blends seamlessly with the body, offering the freedom of open-air driving while maintaining a sleek, all-black silhouette when closed. Its proportions remain one of the most balanced in BMW's lineage, combining sportiness with everyday usability in a way few cars of its era could achieve. Under the hood lies a 3.2-litre DOHC inline-six engine, paired with an automatic transmission, delivering smooth yet responsive performance. This powertrain, combined with four-wheel disc brakes, dual exhaust, and precise power steering, ensures that the driving experience remains engaging and refined. The BMW M Power Valve cover proudly reminds you that this is no ordinary 3 Series, it's a true M car. Inside, the cabin reflects BMW's driver-focused philosophy. Features such as power-adjustable front seats, M-specific instrument cluster, a 3-spoke M-Sport steering wheel, and M-Technic Tricolor accents create a sporty yet comfortable environment. Additional amenities like air conditioning, cruise control, and an AM or FM radio ensure that the car remains practical for daily driving while preserving its classic charm. Riding on 17-inch BMW-style 23 wheels wrapped in Michelin tires, this M3 also includes thoughtful extras such as fog lights, a full-size matching spare, and a complete toolkit. With a clean Carfax report and its status as the final production year of the E36 M3 convertible, this car offers not just performance and style, but also a meaningful connection to one of BMW's most influential eras.